To use all the features of AudioKey, you first need a MyMedL account. Open the app and tap Start. You will be taken to the MyMedL webpage. If you already have a MyMedL account, enter your details and tap Login. If you don't have an account, tap Sign Up at the top. Enter your email address and a password, and tap Sign Up. View the main account policy. If you agree with the policy and want to proceed with your MyMedL account, select Agree. View the further policies. Check the boxes to confirm if you agree with the policies. Then tap Save. Enter your name and tap Save. You can also add a profile picture if you wish. The pairing screen will automatically appear. For more advice on pairing, see the Pairing an Audio Processor video.